Great power comes great responsibility. Good morning, my dear online students. I will give you a test next online class. Please do preparation and give your best. Give a comment on chlorinated PVC and vinyl leather. In previous online class, we have discussed about LDPE, HDPE, and PVC. In today online class, we are going to read about next commercial polymer, that is polyester. That is polyester. We know that single bond CWR mean monovalent functional group is ester group. In this group, there are, I repeat, in this polymer, there are many single bond CWR groups are present, so it is called polyester. It is a condensation polymer. The monomers of polyester is first is diester and diol. Another one is dicarboxylic acid and diol. And third is dihydroxy acids. So now next point, methods of polymerization. Method of polymerization. From first monomers, diester and diol are condensated to form polyester. Diester and diol monomers. A compound which has two ester group is called diester. Similarly, a compound which have two OH group is known as diol. So we take an example of diester. It is diester. In this compound, two CWR groups are present, so it is a diester compound. Similarly, in this compound, two OH groups are present, so it is called diol. After condensation reaction, polyester is formed, mean a polymer which has many ester functional group. So after removing of n molecules of alcohol, polyester is formed here. In condensation reaction, OH groups are eliminated from diol and alkyl groups are eliminated from diester. So after eliminated of n molecules of alcohol, polyester is formed. So structure of polyester is O, CO, CO, O, CH2 taken an polyester. It is the chemical structure of polyester. In this polymer, here COR. Similarly, COOR. R mean alkyl group is present in other unit. So it is polyester. From second type of monomers, similarly, after condensation polymerization of dicarboxylic acid and diol monomers, polyester is formed. So, it is dicarboxylic monomer and it is diol monomer. After condensation polymerization mean water molecules are eliminated, polyester is formed. Here, protons from dicarboxylic acid and OH groups from diol are eliminated, mean n molecules of water molecule, sorry, n molecule of water are eliminated and polyester is formed here. So, chemical structure of polyester is it is polyester. Here COOR, many ester groups are present, so it is known as polyester. Now next, third type of monomers, dihydroxy acids. By self-condensation of dihydroxy acids, polyester is formed. It is a dihydroxy acids, OH, hydroxy for OH and acid for COH. After self condensation mean water molecules are eliminated here. Water molecules are eliminated here, proton from COH group and OH from alcohol are eliminated then, or we can say that self condensation of dihydroxy acids, polyester is formed. So chemical structure of polyester is as follows. Now next, usage of polyester. Terylene, which is a polyester, is universally known example of polyester. They are mainly used in making artificial fibers and also used in safety helmets. Safety helmets. Second example of polyester is if polyesters are made by aliphatic monomers, they are called aliphatic polyester, whose MP is quite low, but the presence of aromatic group increases their MP. As compared to aromatic polyester, use of aliphatic polyesters are very less. Now next type of commercial polymer is terylene or polyethylene terephthalate, PET, polyethylene terephthalate. It is an unsaturated polyester. It is an unsaturated polyester. It is also called Dacron. Very important. Dacron. Monomer of terylene is terephthalic acid or its ester and ethylene glycol. Now next, method of polymerization. We have already discussed about monomers of pteryline. Pteryline is a condensation polymer which is formed by ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. So, an unit of ethylene glycol and an units of terephthalic acid or its ester after condensation polymerization at 425 to 475 Kelvin temperature. Here, n molecules of alcohol are eliminated, then pteryline is formed. In this structure, COOR. Similarly, COOR in other unit, it is pteryline or dacron. Here, R. If R is equal to H, then it is called terephthalic acid. And if R is equal to ethyl group, then it is called diethyl terephthalate. Diethyl terephthalate. Now next point is usage of pteryline. Used in making terrycoat. Terrycoat is the mixture of pteryline and cotton. Very important for your competition also. Second use of pteryline is used in making safety belts, apron, magnetic recording tapes, etc. Next point is properties of pteryline. Pteryline have high resistivity against chemical and biological factors. The fibers of these polymers are very strong and stable. Next commercial polymer is nylon 6. It is a polyamide because its polymer chain contains amide group. It is a polyamide because its polymer chain contains amide group. Monomer of nylon 6 is caprolactam. Very important. Caprolactam, which is a cyclic amide, have 6 carbon atoms. Now next, method of polymerization. Caprolactam has a ring structure. Nylon 6. Nylon 6 is formed by anionic addition reaction of caprolactam. Here monomer contains 6 carbon atoms, therefore it is known as nylon 6. So the structure of caprolactam is in this compound 6 carbon atoms are present in cyclic ring. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one nitrogen is also present in the ring. Caprolactam after addition reaction, anionic addition reaction converted into nylon 6. Here temperature is 533 to 543 Kelvin. After anionic addition reaction, caprolactam is converted into nylon 6. So we draw the structure of nylon 6 from here. CO from that and CO here 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 5 methylene group are present, so CH2 whole 5 NH. It is the structure of nylon 6. Next point is properties of nylon 6. First property is nylon 6 is a synthetic fiber having high tensile strength. Another one is generally they are white in color and are acid and base resistant. Very important. Next point is usage of nylon 6. First point is it is used in gears in vehicles. Another one is, and last, use of nylon 6. Apart from this, it is also used in toothbrushes, bristles, musical instrument wire, filaments, nets, etc. Now next, commercial. I hope you liked this video. Thanks.